Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify products using bulk editor, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. In the Products section, select all products to view your current inventory. Locate and check the box next to the products you want to edit. If you wish to edit all products at once, click the checkbox at the top of the list. Once selected, look for the Edit Products button and click on it. This will take you to the bulk editor interface. You will see a grid with the selected products and their attributes. To add or remove fields, click on columns at the top of the grid. Choose the fields you want to edit, such as title, price, or inventory. Once you've selected your desired fields, click Apply. Now, you can make changes directly in the grid. Simply click on the cell you want to edit and type in your new information. You can also use the drop-down menus for specific fields like product tags. If you want to apply the same change to multiple products, input your change in the first products cell and then drag the fill handle to apply it to others. If you need to remove any products from your bulk edit, click the X next to their name. After you've made all your desired changes, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button located in the upper right corner. Your updates will be processed, and a confirmation message will appear when complete. You can now verify the changes by returning to the product list. Adjusting products using the bulk editor can save you significant time and effort. Make sure to utilize this feature whenever you have multiple updates to perform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.